Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SEKAR MAYANG with study number 2261-21174. Today I will share the 5 topic from LLA course to fulfill the midterm test marks taught by Miss Yusti. The first topic is object of evaluation from group 1. In the text of learning, students become the object or target of evaluation. They are the focus of attention to be evaluated because they are the subject who are learning and developing. Evaluation of students are to measure learning progress, understanding of material, and achievement of learning objective. Students are specifically observed and analyzed to assess the quality, effectiveness, and success of the learning process. This evaluation object quite the necessary analytical step to understand in depth the performance and learning achievement of students. The second material is from Group 2 with the topic Bloom Taxonomy. Bloom Taxonomy is hierarchical framework used in the education to categorize the level of cognitive skill the students should develop. Here's an explanation of each level. The first one is remembering. This level involves recalling information without necessarily understanding it deeply. For example, remembering facts, dates, or definitions. The second is comprehension. This level involves understanding the meaning of the information being learned. It goes beyond memorization to include explaining ideas in one-ounce words or summarizing concept. The next is applying. At this level, students can use their understanding of the information in new situation or context. This could involve solving problem, applying concept to real-life scenarios, or using learned procedure in different situations. The next is analyzing. This level involves breaking down information into its component part and understanding the relationship between them. It includes identifying patterns, making connection, and distinguishing between different elements. The next is evaluating. At this level, students can make judgment about the value or quality of information, argument, or method. They can assess the strengths and weakness of different ideas or approaches and make informed decision. The last one is creating. This is the highest level of Blooming taxonomy where students can generate new ideas, products, or ways of thinking. It involves synthesizing information from different sources, proposing solution to problem, or creating original work. The next is third material is regarding type of text based on the number of participation. Tests can be categorized based on the number of participation involved diving into the two types. The first is individual test and group test. Individual test entail one-on-one interaction between the examiner and the test taker, focusing on assessing specific abilities, skill, or knowledge. These tests offer personalization, diagnostic accuracy, and flexibility in terms of time and place. However, they may lack in fostering collaborative skill development and tend to prioritize memory-based measure over deep understanding. For instance, listening comprehension test type typically falls under the category. On the other hand, group tests involve assessing a group of students collectively, encouraging communication, collaborative abilities, and cooperation. Yet, they may suffer from issues such as domination influence, contribution inequality, and errors in individual assessment, as seen in presentation tasks. Thus, the choice between individual and group tests depend on the desired objective and the nature of the assessment being conducted. The next material I will present is writing rules for a question multiple choice. When crafting multiple choice question, there are two consist yet critical rules. The first is ensuring clarity and precision to avoid ambiguity, with one correct answer and plausible distractors. The second is aligned question closely with learning objective, avoiding illustrative topic. The third is use straightforward language, avoiding complex terminology. Fourth, maintain consistent formatting for clarity. Fifth, balance difficult level across question. Six is construct question to assess understanding, avoid trickery. Seven is review and revise thoroughly to eliminate errors and enhance clarity. Following these guidelines ensure effective measurement of understanding while maintaining validity, reliability, and clarity in evaluation. And the final materials is the purpose of item analytic. The purpose of item analytic, as highlighted by Thorndike and Hudson and elaborated by Purwanto, is twofold. The first is meant to track diagnostic insight from student response, offering valuable data to evaluate the effectiveness of classroom lesson and pinpoint areas of learning deficiency. By scrutinizing individual question response, educator can discern where students excel and where they struggle, enabling target intervention to address learning gaps and enhance overall understanding. Secondly, item analysis from the concerned student for refining future tasks by scrutinizing student response. Educators can identify pattern on misunderstanding or confusion, informing the modification and improvement of test question. I think enough for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.